Hello folks, this is Alan here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. Today we're taking a look at a super nice 2013 twin axle Peterbilt dump truck. This Cummins engine with an Allison automatic transmission. Super sought after. Hard to get these, without a Packard. This has a Cummins diesel engine with an Allison automatic. Low miles, all the specs, details, mileage, pricing, and everything will be on our website, vastets.com. If you'd like to come and see this truck in person, this is located at our North Carolina, or one of our North Carolina locations, 115 Wisconsin Lane, Mount Airy, North Carolina. Again, that's 115 Wisconsin Lane in Mount Airy, North Carolina. We have financing options available here. If you need financing, please let us know, 336-789-1138. You may also go to the financing tab on our website, vastets.com. Fill out the application and click submit. It will go to our finance guy. Somebody will be in touch with you, usually within 30 minutes if it's during business hours. If not, it'll be the next business day. Super clean, straight aluminum body there, all aluminum wheels. Beautiful red on these Petes. Nice chrome bumper. Beautifully finished. All of our trucks been serviced. Been through the service department, serviced, inspected, DOT ready to go to work. We have extended warranty options available on these trucks as well. If you would like to hear those options and pricing for extended warranties, please give us a call at 336-789-1138. I just love these, that red and all that chrome with those aluminum bodies. Just makes a beautiful truck. This is a cable tarp system as well. Good system, expensive system actually, much more expensive than the regular. Pull it forward here for me. That's Vast Equipment and Truck Sales, 336-789-1138. Web address, vastets.com for all specs, details, pricing, information. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel, just go there. You will find everything that you need. You can also give us a call for extended warranty information, financing applications. We ship to all 50 states as well as overseas. So if you need financing, shipping, please let us know that I can do that for you. If you need to fly in, we'll be glad to pick you up at Charlotte International Airport, Charlotte Douglas International Airport, or the Greensboro Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. Just let me know. We can make those arrangements for you. Beautiful Pete. Come out and take a look at it. Again, that address is 115 Wisconsin Lane in Mount Airy, North Carolina. We look forward to helping you here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. Thanks.